Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by installing the Xbox Family app or the main Xbox app and signing in with your Microsoft account. Make sure the child accounts are already created in your Microsoft family. Without them, you cannot manage controls. Once done, grant the app location and notification permissions so invites and requests arrive reliably. If you use two devices, sign in on both and confirm the same account. This ensures settings sync immediately and prevents conflicting controls. Now you configure screen time and content. You pick limits per console or device and set weekly allotments. This prevents overuse while allowing flexibility. Next, adjust content settings by age, including game ratings, apps, and web restrictions. These filters block inappropriate material automatically. Make sure to add bedtime rules and exceptions for school days. This keeps routines intact. Once applied, the app enforces limits in real time and notifies you when requests come through. Finish by reviewing privacy and communication settings so you control party chat, voice, and multiplayer access. You should enable a purchase PIN and monitor purchase requests. You can approve or deny directly from notifications. Also regularize friend approvals to limit unknown contacts. If something goes wrong, sign out and back in, confirm the console is online, and update the app. This resolves most sync issues quickly. Finally, test a request flow with your child to confirm all rules work as intended.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.